front of me is OPPO A94 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can operate apps permissions on this device. Firstly, just go into settings and tap on privacy section right away. Now you need to choose permission manager over here and select one of your device's features, like location. Then pick an app like Chrome and click on one of those options. Allow only when using, ask every time, or don't allow. I will go with don't allow, so now I have to click on don't allow anyway in the pop-up and go back. As you can see, Chrome no longer has access to my device location, but you can always choose any app and then select see all Chrome's permissions. Now manage all of them only for this app from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!